Hello everyone, welcome to APILayer Marketplace. This short tutorial teaches you how to scrape search engine result pages in real time. You might be thinking that scraping is not a problem like other websites. You can just run through HTML elements and find the required data. But this is not what it seems. What if the HTML document changes? What if you need to retrieve trending topics or gain valuable product information on search engine result pages? This makes you frustrated. The optimal solution is to integrate search engine API like Zenserp. Our Zenserp API enables you to scrape search engine result pages in real time. Zenserp is not a simple scraping API. It covers all major search engines and often adds new endpoints to the API. For instance, Thunder Search, May Search, News Search to retrieve trending topics in JSON format, fetch cool shopping product page results, get video ranking information by using YouTube Search API, and more. As you can see, Zenserp is a complete cool search API covering all available data in result pages like paid results, knowledge graph, related questions, maps, and local results like reviews, addresses, and place IDs. Moreover, with the free subscription plan, you can start your little experiments in your development environment. Additionally, getting started is really easy because of its extensive documentation. The platform also provides an extensive request builder that converts your requests into production-ready code snippets. Just click the pricing link here and get your free subscription plan. I'll be using Delphi programming language and FireMonkey framework to do a demo. Why Delphi and FireMonkey? Because you can target 5 different operating systems using a single code base, providing high productivity. You can download a Delphi IDE from embarcadero.com. Here we are testing the API endpoint with the particular REST debugging tool. After successful connection, you can click this copy components button, which generates a pre-configured REST client component, and you can put them on the form. Here we have a few lines of code to create custom queries. Now let's see the application in action. As you can see, with the exemplary service, you can get valuable information quickly from search engines. Zenserp is one of the market leaders and has a complete API set for fetching search engine results instantly.